Andhra cuisine is known to be spicy and peppery, but in Vijayawada in central Andhra, pepper has suddenly got a new significance. Lagarpati Rajgopal, the MP from Vijayawada who put India to shame by using pepper spray on other MPs inside Parliament, has evoked mixed reactions in his constituency.
If Lagarpati was to be punished, equally the Prime Minister should be punished. The Speaker should be punished. They should be brought to gallows.
From being attacked with chappals and stones by voters months ago, the atmosphere at Lagarpati Rajgopal's residence in Vijayawada city in central Andhra Pradesh today is a complete contrast. Posters calling the MP a new leader, policemen on bandobast and brisk activity outside by party workers.
Rajgopal is there. He'll stop the state. He'll stop it from dividing the state and he'll come as a hero. We are all waiting for that incident and we'll make a big festival in receiving him from the airport.
The voter on the ground does not agree.
I may vote for Lagarpati, I may not vote. But that doesn't mean I am against Lagarpati or somebody. I want a peaceful representation by my MP, properly organized in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha or any public institution. I expect them to behave like a gentleman.
I agree that there is a lot of chaotic situation in the Lok Sabha. It is totally the responsibility of the centre, the Prime Minister and Sonia Gandhi to ensure that the House runs properly. They have not done that. They have not done their homework properly. They have not done the exercise properly. They have not tried to create a kind of a good atmosphere among the people of both the regions.
With emotions running so high on both sides of the state, the fear is that such acts could only make the divide more apparent and wide.
If the state is divided, certainly we find the same situation because there will be a law and order problem. From the beginning we are saying, if this state is divided, a lot of problems we have to face, where the central government is no way to see that problems, they won't even correct it also.
Until recently, several political experts had written off the careers of several Seemandhra MPs, especially that of the Congress party, because the belief was that not much was being done to stall the process of the formation of Telangana. Now it seems suddenly there is a sense of hope, which possibly can change the dynamics of the politics in this region and the state by and large. While Kiran Kumar Reddy apparently has a hope, or rather an option, to start a political party of his own after consultation with MPs and MLAs from the region, it seems that YSRCP's Jagan Mohan Reddy as well as TDP's Chandrababu Naidu are revamping political strategy to get that edge over the other. Radhika Iyer from Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh with Edwin, NDTV.